ERP. No, one is referred to.
Refer to construction ERP. Correct? So where were we here? No.
Normal business studies, you are in doubt.
No, none. They must. I want your information now because I put the red. No study. No, but I need the number and date.
Even this one also 24, item number 24. EIA, EAD, if you are asking for EAD approval, no?
Because we are not doing EIA, we are not doing EIA anything. This is not. Investment plan is there.
Yes.
I will make this one. I will make two. I will make two basic construction ERP. Refer. Investment, right? Construction. That's okay. Where are you here? I mentioned air emission dispersion now.
Apprenticeship no, and OEMP no, CMPS.
CMPS. We say tick mark, no? We'll put here the same person. There is no star here. So demolition not applicable. This is not applicable. This is no. Aura. We are going to make a study now. Industry is not applicable. Human factor. Noise. F&D no. Social based no. Okay, let's keep it in. So toxic dispersion NA, base available, ventilation, GA, social screening. This, social screening, this. Correct? So guys,
no, I don't mean 48, no.
48. Yeah, correct. This is a big one. Okay, good. So guys, if you see only one S here, 1, 2, and 3, right? And that we are doing. So that we are doing. So I'm closing it now.